So, guys, tingnan mo natin. May energy pa ba kayo? Okay, meron pa. Gusto ko yan. Okay, so, as promised, there will be another guest performance to which everyone, I hope, mag-enjoy din kayo just as we are enjoying ourselves here. After all, this is for you guys. Kaya naman, excuse me. Kaya naman, samahan nyo ko guys na i-welcome ang ating guest performance. A guest performer who is on a mission to conquer the world and even steal the moon. With her bubbly personality, adorable cosplays, and captivating singing and dancing, she lights up events like cafes, cup sleeves, and more. Mayumi Shirai is one of WR Entertainment talent and a part of Cavite Cosplayers Official. Given her bubbly personality, she landed some host gigs on segments at a cafe and cup sleeves event. You can often see Mayumi participating at a butler and maid cafes as she serves in her dazzling and cute cosplay outfits. She also joins and performs on stage at events with her amazing talent in dancing and singing. Once again, everyone, let's give a warm round of applause for Mayumi Shirai.
Hello! First time ko mag-perform dito, actually. Hello! So, once again, I'm Mayumi Shirai. So, I think baka familiar yung iba sa akin dito kasi nga, pakalat-kalat ako. Ay, di ba tumawa agad o? O, sige. Before tayo mag-start, kasi I'm not still feeling well. Ano muna tayo Energizer? Ginawa ko to, gagawin ko ulit. Alam niyo ba to? Rubik-chan! Sa pa, hindi ko gusto Kailangan sa taas ng energy. Dapat talunin niyo yung energy ko. Kahit minsan ano na ako. 1, 2, 3, Rubik-chan! Medyo natakot na ako nun. So for today po, so sobrang mahal ko yung fandom na Project Sekai. Ganun pa rin yung setlist ko kasi wala kayong magagawa. Ako gumawa ng setlist. Ayan. So my first song is from Vivid Bad Squad again, Utsuru Aogu. Does anyone know Project Sekai po? Nagtuturuan. Yun yung may ko dyan. Alam mo ba yung Project Sekai? Hindi, joke lang. Ayun po. So, yun. Kasi yun lang yung kaya ng boses ko for now. Something happened sa health ko, aka my voice. So, yun. Actually, for ano dito, Toya Oyagi po. Hi! Tori no siren Shigarami kami kudaite Let's go stay 今日が最低の命日してられる彼もの名実本能的な根相ここ大都会の幻想楽もないビビルーズファイトこれがアイデンティティバイメシティなんとでもな体験しにウェイラーミに人生の改正のがん誰にでもあるのだろうどうせが飛べない鳥のサイレン静かに家具砕いて踊れこの夜まで荒ける声でかすれた雑念が路地へ消えるね追いつきたいのさ行動とかけてるものさ離れて何度も食い願った動きを心はぐ夜がきっと僕ら 飛べない鳥のサイレンしげらみ噛み砕いて踊れこの夜まで荒ける声でするがさのガロディへ響く飛べない鳥のサイレン静かに家具砕いて踊れこの夜まで荒ける声でうなだりなれないのです超えられようない心に壊れるようない世界があるそれとも来んじゃないって愛つい移るを仰ぐ狭間で嘘の仰ぐ僕らは嘘の仰ぐUy, may naririnig ako mga kanta doon from her. Ayan po, that's Suro Augo, one of my favorite song. Ayan. Bakit ko ba pinapahirapan sarili ko? Kasi yung susunod sasayaw ako eh. Sa mga Ruby-chan! Diba, uto-uto kayo? Diba, inuuto ko lang talaga kayo eh. Diba, uto-uto naman kayo? Hindi ko alam, tama ba yung sunod ko? Okay, nanigurado lang ako. So, as I said earlier, project sa guys, setlist po tayo. So, if anyone knows more jump, I'm pretty sure yun ito yung pinaka-popular song sa kanila. May nag-thumbs up na, oh. Naku po, kuya. Ayan. Does anyone know yung newly edgy idols? O ngayon, malalaman mo na. Yay! Alam mo na. You learned something today. Sorry guys, baka sa mga nakakilala sa akin kasi I am a performer na hindi ko alam kung bakit nadodog show ako lagi sa stage. Ayun. But I hope everyone's having fun. Bati-bati tayo kahit dog show. Hi! Our second song is Newly Edgy Idols by More Jump. I'm going to dance this song. Binabalagbag na ako ng mga tao din. Ala! Hoy, sir! Sir! Wait lang. Wala tayong water, so pinakuloong luya to eh. Sa labat break, wait lang. Grabe. Hindi ko na gagawin uli yan. Palong-palo naman tumalan. Musta na mga Okay, ulit. Kamusta naman kayo? Buhay pa. Natakot naman ang buhay pa. Yan. Ay. tayo napagod sa malan. Ayan, we're up now to our third song. Pero wait lang kuya ha. Hinga ako. Ayan. So, ayun po. Konting promotion muna tayo. So, I'm Mayumi again. Once again, sa mga bago na kakadating lang. Sa mga hindi ako kilala, ganyan. Diba kilala ko nito eh. Kilala ko nung naka-jet oh. Kilala ko yan. Ayan. So, yun po. Nadalas po ako nagpa-perform. I actually do performing for fun. And unexpectedly, may mga taong ako na-inspire. Hindi ko alam bakit. Sabi ko, talk show lang naman ginagawa ko. Ba't ka na-inspire? Parang ganun. And anyway, I'm glad naman na ganun. So, ayun. So that's why I keep doing this. Once again, thank you so much po. Kahit kakakilala ko lang sa inyo. Kahit first time ko lang mag-perform dito sa Fairview Terraces. And even Ozin from the street of Harajuku, first time ko lang din mag-perform. Ayun, wala pa akong pahinga. I'm from Cavite pa. So, yes! Uuwi pa ako nito. Secret! Bawal madox. Ayun. So, kaya super thankful ako na kahit parang bago lang ako sa paningin nyo, you guys are giving your support. Hiningal ako. So, we're now going to our third song. So, another song siya ng More Jump, if sa Project Sekai, More Jump cover. May nakakailan po ba ng Shoujo Ray? Hindi. Hello? Ayun, may nagre-react pa din. As long as may nagre-react. Ayun, wag na natin isipin kung ano yung meaning nun. Basta may nakakalam po ba ng Shoujo Ray? Hala? Ayun lang. Ayun, kasi yun po yung third song natin. Lahat po ng setlist ko dito is short version lang. Tumatawag ba sa akin? Ayun po. Third song is Shoujo Ray. Hi, ikuto. Love it. 本能が狂い始める追いつられたつかねずに今絶望の淵に立って踏切へと飛び出したそう君は友達僕の手をつかめよそう君は一人さ居場所なんてないだろう二人きりこのまま愛し合えるさ繰り返すフラッシュバックセミどこへ二度とはなるな君ドアにちぎれてくお揃いのキーホルダー夏が消し去った白い花の少女に悲しいほど追いつかれてしまいたい繰り返すフラッシュバックセミの声二度とはなるな君ドアにちぎれてくお揃いのキーホルダー夏が消し去った白い花の少女に悲しいほど降りつかれてしまいたい透明な君の僕を指さしてた Thank you sa pepet light nyo. Thank you sa pepet light nyo. Ay, grabe. La, sana hindi yun yung waling kantang nilagay ko. Ayun, that is Shoujo Ray po. May More Jump cover. Thank you, Dudes. Thank you. Kay Kuya nagpa-pen light. Wala naman din kasi akong pag-ganon-ganon kasi nga, yun, shy type pa ako. Hindi joke lang. I haven't really decided on anything. But yun, we have 2 more songs left pero sasayaw na lang ako. Yata. Ayan. So, the last two song focuses on night chord at 25. Does anyone know them? Like Kanade and Mizuki Mafuyu? Asa yun? If you know those girls, yung last two songs ko is focuses on them. I'll be just dancing them kasi ang cute nilang sayawin. Medyo, kinalunch ko yun kasi sabi ko gusto ko sayawin to. Does anyone know I'd Smile? I'd Smile, Baka no Hana, Bitter Choco Decoration. Ay, diba? 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 Ayan. So I think my fourth song is Bitter Choco Decoration. Pero wait lang ha. Wait lang kuya. Wait lang. Chotomate. Sa labat break. Wala tayong water break, so yung pinakuluang luya ko lang yung break ko. It works, guys. Hindi. Tiis ganda, sabi nga nila. Kaganto pa ako, no? Sasayaw na lang naman ako. Ay! So yun po, tama ba kuya? Bitter Choco Decoration, no? Okay. Naninigurado lang ako. So, our fourth song for today, and I hope may kasunod pa sa mga in the future, Bitter Choco Decoration. Ayan, that's bitter choco decoration. Actually, last minute ko yun inano. Kasi sabi ko, wala lang, cute lang. Alam niyo kasi guys, pag tinanggal ko itong twin tail ko, nag-iba yung character ko. Nagkakaroon ng character. Ayaw nga. Gusto mo eh. Ayaw nga. Pero ayun. So once again, sa mga bagong punta po dito, I'm Mayumi Shirai. I'm part of WR Entertainment. And also, I'm part of our community po sa Cavite, Cavite Cosplayers Official. Pakalat-kalat po ako. Ayan. So I do hope na support nyo rin po ako sa mga future events ko, sa mga endeavors ko. Ayan. So Rihanna, thank you. Thank you. And also, I just wanted to say na without your support, wala rin po ako sa stage today. So, I will never forget your utmost support. So, palakpakan nyo naman yung sarili nyo din. Ayan. Oh my God. Ayan na. We're up now to our last song. Actually, pinag-remix ko siya. No, actually, not really remix, pero pinagsama ko lang. So, another song from Night Chord at 25. It's I'd Smile and Bakenohana. Sa susunod na Kamizuki na ako nito. Sige, nalagyan na natin ng ano to. Nako, may lumalabas na. Lumalabas na yung mga projects sa Guy fans. Pero Toya Aoyagi fan talaga ako. I love Toya so much. So yun, so far lang naman, ano pa lang naman to? Ano man tawag doon? Parang dry run, ganon. Basta, in the future, yung mga songs ko, naka-cosplay na ako ng kung sino mang center ng song na yon. So it happens lang na I'd Smile and Bakenohana was Mizuki centered. So, I'll push that. Of course, more Nico cosplays to come tayo. Ayan. So, last song po, I'd Smile and Bakenohana from Night Chord at 25.
交わる線と線着飾る大好きなあれこれそれそういつだって譲れないアイデンティティ手探りたどり寄せてまた繰り返す空回りの気持ちの糸いつだって諦めたままのリスタ君もない振り回
Yes, I've been loving that song so much. Ayan! And that concludes our set list for today. At once in from the street of Harajuku, palakpakan naman! Yay! Alright, one more time. Before ako magbumaba ng stage and all. Hingal ako dun ah. One more an energizer. Ichini-san, Ruby-chan. Nani ga tsuki? Eva-chan. Nani ga tsuki? Shiki-chan. Nani ga tsuki? Minna. Nani ga tsuki? Galing ng energy mo! Galing ng energy nyo! Malakpakan once again! Malakpakan yung sarili nyo rin! Ayan, thank you so much! Do not forget, may mission ay the one who will conquer the one that steal the moon! Yeah! Thank you!
Ayan, so syempre bago ka bumaba, no? Let me prolong your... Di, joke lang. So yun, on behalf of Ozenfest, we are wholeheartedly thanking you for your performance for tonight, for this event, and that is why here's your goodie pack, and of course, our token of appreciation, ito na yung goodie pack, and our certificate of appreciation. Picture tayo. Alright, palakpakan naman natin once again, Mayumi Shirai! Thank you so much.